Hello everyone. So actually my voice is still not recovered, but I will still do the best I can to deliver to you this video, which I know many of you are waiting for. So before we start again, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment. So I will just try to be short in this video. I will try to reduce my talking as much as possible, and please my friends understand my condition. So let's now move to the weekly chart to analyze the EURUSD. So our style here in Xtreme Trader is to analyze always based on the weekly chart and then daily chart, and then we will move to the smaller time frames such as 4-hour time frame or even 1-hour time frame. So our idea here is to find the direction based on the bigger time frames, then we will switch to the smaller time frames to find the entry. I will apply the same on all the pairs. So right now we are actually on the weekly chart on the EURUSD. Now we can notice here two things. First of all, if we apply right now the Fibonacci retracement, now we can notice that the EURUSD has just reversed at Fibonacci 61.8. And as we all know, this is the jackpot reversal retracement point, or actually the retracement level when we can actually buy the market. Second of all is the current price action. So right here we can see that the market actually is on a support level, as we can see, especially on 61.8. And right here we have the inverted hammer has appeared. This is actually a trusted price action. Once you see this price action has appeared on a support level, especially on weekly chart or daily chart, it's actually a good sign that the market right now is getting ready for the bullish reversal. We have example here, as we can see. After the appearance of this candle, the market rose to around 300 pips. Another example can be seen right here, another one right here, another one right here. We can see this price action appeared almost everywhere. Now you might tell me here, but here it's actually on a resistance level. We need to see it on a support, not a resistance. So here it's actually on a support level, so it's a good sign that the EURUSD most likely getting ready for the bullish reversal. Now confirmed the direction based on the weekly chart. Let's now jump to the daily chart. Now here on daily chart, if we highlight the support level exactly at 1.022 and we scroll to the left side, we can see that this was the bottom of the real support at the same area. So that level most likely is going to be very strong, and we can consider buying the EURUSD right here. And if the market will continue the fall, we can expect a inverted head and shoulders to be completed. So then the EURUSD most likely will continue the rise. So again, daily chart also confirms the continuation of the bullish reversal. So now moving to the 4-hour time frame to find the exact entry. Now here, as you can see, we decided to buy at 1.022, but however, right here exactly at 1.023, we have here the real level of a support, and then here a fake breakout. So therefore, we can expect for the EURUSD to continue the fall, and then we can buy it exactly at the same area of that support at 1.023, which means we have to wait for the pair to fall to another 35 pips before we can start buying it, targeting of course the resistance at 1.033, and the safe zone that in this case shouldn't be ranging lower than the real level of a support at 1.019. Therefore, our safe zone will be ranging for around 40 pips against almost 100 pips of profit. That's everything for the EURUSD. Let's now move to the GBPUSD. So as you can see, guys, I'm gonna be quick because I need to finish this video fast. Obviously, I cannot really talk for a long time. So now, weekly chart for the GBPUSD also shows the same, that the market right now has just reversed at the same level of a real support at 1.210. So therefore, the next weekly candle is expected to be a bullish one as a reversal point. Let's now move to the daily chart. Daily chart also shows here that the market right now is still going toward the lowest level of a real support, which most likely gonna be right here at 1.213. And if we scroll to the left side, we can see that this was, my friends, the real level of a support. Let me just zoom in to show it to you. Right here exactly we can see a real level of a support, then one fake breakout happened, then again another 2 attempts of a real support. So therefore, we can consider buying the market exactly right here. Not only that, but if we even apply the magic of resistance and support trend lines, let me just do it now to show it to you. Exactly. So now we have here the resistance trend line. Now what we can do is simply drag and move the same line right here just to find our next decent entries. Now check this out right here exactly. we can see clearly that we had here also, also a support trend line that most likely is going to be respected again, and the market most likely also will continue the rise. Again, there is more to actually to discuss, but I really cannot talk. Let's move to the 4-hour time frame. Alright, so now 4-hour time frame, I would recommend to buy the pound USD exactly at the lowest level of a real support at 1.213. And we have to wait for the market to fall to another like 30 pips. Our safe zone shouldn't be ranging much lower than the bottom of the real support at 1.209, ranging for around 41 pips, targeting the highest level of a real resistance, which is the nearest 1-hour entry at 1.226, expecting around 121 pips of profit against 42 pips of a safe zone. And that's all for the pound USD. Let's now move to the AUDUSD. Alright, so now let's go to the weekly chart on the EURUSD. So again, we can see the similarity with the other two pairs. Right here, the market has just reversed at the lowest level of a real support at 0.616. Now, again, we see the same price action. The inverted hammer has appeared not only once, but twice actually. We have two candles of inverted hammer has appeared right on that support area. Now we have actually a good chance to continue buying the market. We can notice here another one has failed, but again, remember that the market, even after this one, has rose to another like around 50 pips. However, this candle did not really appear at the lowest level of real support. If it appeared right here, however, that's going to be a different story. Now, as you can see also, the AUDUSD somehow is not really that good market to trade at all. So I highly recommend you guys to stay away from the AUDUSD for the meantime until it makes a clear bullish or a bearish breakout from this level of a support. But we can still analyze it, because here the weekly chart shows me these two good price actions, which indicates a continuation in the bullish reversal. Not to mention, of course, that based on if we actually even apply the magic of trend lines, and again, I'm sure so many of you guys don't believe in this kind of trading. I will make this week a video explaining why this is very trusted way in trading Forex. As you can see right now, if I just simply draw here a resistance trend line, now all I need to do is simply drag the same line and place it right on the next, or actually the nearest level of a support trend line to the current level. As you can see right here exactly, we can see that this is the nearest level of a support trend line, and right now the market is reversing right at it. So therefore, AUDUSD is to be bought in my opinion. Moving now to the daily chart. Now daily chart here shows me also, actually I cannot see much on the daily chart. I would like to move to the 4-hour time frame. Now here on the 4-hour time frame, if we apply right now the support trend line right here, as we can see, exactly, just like that, fantastic. Now we can see clearly that we had here a support trend line that actually after the bearish breakout has become here a resistance trend line with multiple attempts, but instantly been broken out from, and then recently it became here a support trend line. So therefore we can expect to buy the AUDUSD after it fall again to reach the same level of the support trend line. Afterward it will continue the rise toward the resistance right here as 0.622, and that tells us that most likely, let's now move to the 1-hour time frame. Now here on the 1-hour time frame, I can see clearly that we had right here the broken level of a resistance exactly at 0.615, which most likely is going to be the best level to consider buying the AUDUSD after it fall again to retest the same level of a support trend line. Again, we will be targeting the highest level of a resistance. This is the one, right? This is the one, yes. I'm just making sure. Yes, right here exactly at the same level of a real resistance as 0.626. Okay, so that's going to be our safe zone like that. So therefore our safe zone, my friends, will be ranging only for 31 pips against 108 pips of profit. And that's going to be everything for the AUDUSD. Let's now move to the USDCAD. Alright, so now for the USDCAD, I'll be honest with everyone, I'm not sure how this pair is going to be honest with you guys. I'm just being honest here as much as possible. Right now the USDCAD is actually ranging at the resistance right here at the bracket of 1.455, and To be honest with you, I'm sure that the USDCAD is going to continue to fall, because right here we can see that we had also a resistance trend line. But the problem here is the current price action, which is not really so much promising for the fall. Also, if we right now zoom in to the 4-hour time frame, I'm actually a strong believer in the Fibonacci retracements, and one of the ways we are using here in Xtreme Trader, if we are seeing the market going in the uncharted water when there is no data on the left side to decide our entries, we can actually apply the Fibonacci retracement like this. And actually I have made multiple videos on my channel explaining how we can apply Fibonacci in this way by find the last retracement and connect the high to the low, and then you will find the next retracement level. So therefore, I believe that we can sell the USDCAD right here at 161.8. Most likely it's going to be a good level to expect a reversal for at least 60 pips. But again, the price action here is not so much promising. Based on the weekly chart, the price action is not promising for the bearish falls. Therefore, I actually decided, for the safety of our followers and their funds, I will not analyze the USDCAD, and I will just wait to see how this pair will move for the next week. Therefore, sorry, but no analysis on the USDCAD for this week. Let's now move to the USDJPY. Alright, so now for the USDJPY, I will make it short as well, because my throat really painful. Now we can see here clearly that we had also a resistance trend line, and all what we need to do right now is simply drag the same resistance trend line and just simply place it right here exactly at the nearest level of a resistance trend line to the this bearish breakout candle, and that tells us that we can sell the USDJPY exactly right here at the nearest wick right here to this bearish breakout candle at 157.083. If we do, we can actually target the lowest level of the support, where the reversal has just begun at 155.077, expecting around let's see, around 200 pips of profit. And in this case, the safe zone shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance right here at 157.795, ranging for around 72 pips. And that's gonna be everything for the USDJPY. Let's now finally move to the USDCHF. Alright, so now for the USDCHF, let's now move to the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, this is my friend's weekly chart. Now we can see that the USDCHF is actually right here at the highest level of a real resistance at the bracket of 0.914. Now, let me just tell you something. Here we have, let me just do like that. Here we have a real level of a resistance trend line that has just been broken out from, and the market right now acting right here at the highest level of resistance as 0.922. Now there is a rule here in trading Forex. When you have a resistance trend line being broken out from with a bullish breakout candle like that, the market, my friends, usually tempts to continue the rise till it reaches the nearest strong key level of a resistance, and afterward it will actually start the bearish reversal to retest the broken level of a resistance trend line, and afterward will continue the rise or continue the fall. We don't care, because we are going to trade this pullback right here exactly when the market falls back to retest the broken level of a resistance trend line. And that's exactly what's happening here. Now we have here the highest level of a real resistance as 0.922, and we have here the broken level of a resistance trend line. So we can expect actually from the USDCHF to rise again a little bit more to reach the highest level of a resistance, and afterward it will start the bearish fall to retest that broken level of a resistance trend line. Therefore, I'm looking to sell the USDCHF for this week. Now moving to daily chart. Now based on daily chart, I would recommend to sell the USDCHF at the absolutely highest level of a real resistance as 0.918 after the market rise to another 42 pips. And if we do so, we can actually continue the sell till the market reach the lowest level of a real support at 0.908, expecting around 104 pips of profit. And in this case, the safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging much higher than the peak of the resistance right here as 0.922. Sorry about that, ranging for around 40 pips. And there goes our new signals, my friends, for the upcoming week. And again, don't forget to join our free channel of Telegram to remain connected to Xtreme Trader team and to receive any updates or notifications about these signals that you are receiving here on YouTube. This is our channel. Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. And again, my friends, I wish to see you all there, and please stay safe and stay connected to Xtreme Trader. And until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.